Hey guys, it's your girl, Coolene, back at it again with another video. I don't know if you've heard, but TubeBuddy is getting a K-drama, guys, and Cha Eun-woo, the guy from Gangnam Style, is playing as Suho. So, I'm very excited for that, and because of this, I'm going to make a tutorial on how to draw Jugyeong. Anyway, without further ado, let's just start the thing. First, draw an oval and make sure that the height is longer than the width. Don't make the chin too sharp, though you should avoid defining her jawline. It makes her look soft and cute. I made her chin sharp in my first attempt and made her look manly, so don't do that. In the middle, make a cross, then below it just draw the mouth. For the lips, you could give her 2 bows, and for the nose, just 2 lines for the nostrils. You can ignore the lines I made, those are for the shadows for later. The shape of the eyes are a bit more complex, like the upper part is like a whole curve, but near the tear ducts it becomes like a straight line. And then just draw a big circle inside and then the eyelid. Also make sure to zoom in real quick and draw these tiny lashes. The freaking details of this webcomic is astonishing, really. I just want to point this out, but have you seen the creator of this webcomic? How can she be so talented and pretty at the same time? Anyway, moving on, I kinda made the face a bit slimmer and added a few details. It was time to draw the hair, so you can draw this huge curvy line along the side of her face and then draw her ear. Her hair is really voluminous. It's really chunky at the top, but it kind of slims down as it goes lower. So there's this triangle forming, in other words. After that, be sure to draw lines and just add the details of the hair. So basically, the next few seconds are gonna be of me struggling to make smooth lines. For the coloring, choose a neutral-ish skin color. I'm adding the base colors and just cleaning up, making sure I didn't forget to leave out some stuff. After this, in a separate layer, I chose a darker color, kind of orange-ish, and shaded her nose. I'm using a soft brush to work my way up to the eyebrows. I also shaded the other eyelid a little bit. You know, it's kind of like doing makeup on an actual face, except you can control Z things. For the lips, I actually kind of struggled a bit, but I think I figured it out. See, the trick is to use one color, preferably a coral shade or something, and then soften the edges with an airbrush tool. And then add highlights and draw like a deep shadow along the line of the lips using an airbrush. For the eyes, you just put a base color and then choose shading colors. You can blend them again using an airbrush. And then afterwards, just highlight it. I also added some stuff and then added a shade underneath the eyes, like a lower eyelid, or as the Koreans call it, the aegyo-sal. Then I fixed a couple more things and then I shaded the hair. I made the highlights by drawing a light color and softening the edges using a soft brush. I also lowered its opacity. So yeah, I guess we're done. It's a bit close. I really hope you enjoyed this vid, and if you did, please subscribe to help me support my 2 dogs. Thank you very much, and you might also like my vids. So yeah, thanks. Goodbye.